So what do you say when you are agree with someone's opinion? And if I modulate my question, how do you express an agreement? Confused, right? Most of the time we say, yes, okay, yes, I understand, I agree. But to being influent in English and to impress somebody, we must have collections of words to be used and to share that exactly, yes, I'm listening to you, I understand what you say. This video is about phrases and words that can be used when we agree with somebody in English. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. If you really appreciate the words and phrases that I'm going to share in the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you want to help your friends to improve their English, you can share with them. There will be no charges at all. Trust me. Additionally, you can also click on the bell icon so that you will not miss my daily updates. Yes. In a real life, it happens many times where we want to share our opinion. On the other hand, on the same time, you find that somebody has already shared your views, right? In this case, we can use such phrases that can make somebody comfortable and can help to know that yes, you do agree what they say. Let's take an example. My friend asked me, Kajal, can we work on the same project? Because I find that here we can grow our skills and can help us to reach to the next level. Now here Kajal is agreed. I can reply in many forms. First, exactly, we can work on that. Second, that's true. It will help us to reach to the next level. Third, you are absolutely right. Fourth, I'm with you. Fifth, absolutely, we can. Sixth, I totally agree. Seventh, tell me about it. Eighth, you're right. Ninth, that's a nice point. 10th, that's for sure. 11th, me too. 12th, no doubt about it. 14th, you have a point here. 15th, I was just going to say that. 15th, that is exactly what I think. 16th, I agree 100%. And the last, I suppose so. So these are some phrases that can be used when we do agree with somebody's opinion and their views. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you also have some additional phrases, you are allowed to share with me on chat box in this video. Till the end, have a great day. Bye bye.